How is Mumbai? How are you guys?
No, para. Wait.
Okay.
Let's do it one more time, but this time we make a lot of noise because we are rock stars. Okay, let's go.
One more time.
Okay, so welcome to stage,
Nerdconf.
Ale and Tommy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm liking this energy more.
Yes.
How are you, Ale? How are you today?
I'm very good, and you?
Really good. Did you have your biryani today?
Yes.
I mean, yeah. We're in India. Come on.
We're in India.
Thank you guys for having us. This is like such an interesting thing to do. Like coming all the way from Argentina to be here at Mumbai, talking to you, specifically you. Yeah, you.
You.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, you.
This crowd reminds us a lot of our first time going outside of Argentina to Peru. And yeah, it's the first time doing a Talk in Asia. So please be good with us. Thank you. No.
Okay.
This dance? No, we
That's
don't
a
like
Trump
it.
dance.
No.
Okay.
Okay, we are.
Ali and Tommy from Nerdconf. Whoa.
How do I do this?
You got a point there.
There. Boom.
Boom. We're gonna pretend.
Okay, one more time. Did it
Hey!
change? No, it didn't.
It didn't work. Anyways, okay, Ale, top 3 things we love the most about India. Number 3, Taj Mahal. Crazy love story. Sour end.
Sour end.
Top 2,
Top 2, food.
food.
Food. Gulab jamun, very good.
Indian sweets. Indian milk cake.
Very good.
Yes.
Milk cake, let's go.
Number 1, Blinkit 8-minute delivery.
Let's go.
yeah.
Let's go. Please.
Only possible in India.
Hashtag not sponsored.
And number 1, on top of the other number 1, ETHMumbai. Hey!
Sorry, we clap a lot in Argentina for no reason. Maybe someone died and you're like, let's go. But no, he died. Like, that's not clap. A ver, let's see if this time works. Tip.
It's okay, Ale. We can imagine the presentation.
Okay.
We are Ale and Tommy from Nerdconf. We have been running events and hackathons for the last 4 years, actually since we met. And we have been providing social spaces for you and us, for nerds. I mean, it's Nerdconf. We are very curious people, very interesting people. Like we like solving problems and we love technology. And our mission in this world, at least for the next few years, is to provide spaces, tools, and experiences. I mean, we all like experiences.
Yeah.
But something is happening, Ale.
Wait. Before, 1 second.
Oh.
I'm sorry. This is urgent. I'm sorry.
Okay. Sorry.
Hello? What? Are you serious right now? He's dead?
What?
Are you telling me for real he's dead? Guys, I traveled to the future. And next year, Web3 will be dead.
What?
If we don't do something right now, Web3 will be dead.
Oh my God.
For the last couple of years, we've been overinvesting in underperforming assets. We're talking about over $5 billion deployed into dApps, hackathon prizes, and grifters, friends of friends, that just do things that don't work. We're talking about a 90% failure rate on these startups. And that's been costing us around $3 million. Let me say this again. $3 million per startup created, successfully executed.
3 million.
Or maybe it was 5 million.
I think it's 6 million.
Or maybe it was 10 million. And that's the problem. We don't know.
Nobody
no one knows how much it costs to build something successful in Web3. And this way, we are just putting out money, just waiting for something to work. If we keep doing this, we are gonna fail. And next year, ETHMumbai might not exist anymore.
Oh my God.
Next year, Vitalik might be working at a McDonald's.
What?
You know what I mean? I'm sorry, Vitalik, I know you were here today. So, in this new era, because it was always about the devs, I'm sorry, devs, I love you, devs, but it was always about the devs and never about the business. Maybe it was a good tool for something working in the back, but there was so much friction with the public, with the users in general, that things didn't work. Someone took the money, and now we're here. In a bear market, possibly saw last bull market 1 year ago.
Oh my God.
So we need to shift. In this era of AI, we need to shift. Tommy.
Yeah, that's the thing, Ale. Last year we realized, I think possibly everyone realized that things have shifted thanks to AI. Anyone can build anything, and it's not about the devs anymore. We love the devs, fucking go devs. But we need to shift from dev mode to founder mode and actually begin to think how to create something that can sustain itself for the future, that has a business model, that has, users and use cases. I think there is where we should put our minds as an industry. And yeah, I think that change of focus can lead towards a brighter future, and it's actually something very simple to do. At Nerdconf, in Latin America, we have been doing this kind of shift for almost a year now. We realized that as anyone will be able to create anything, we don't need to find coders or developers. We need to find problem solvers. Everyone wants to create a business. Everyone wants to create a startup. Thing is, they don't know how to do it. It's like a sensory overload. It's like walking in Delhi or Mumbai. It's like, you don't know what to put your focus on. And we are helping these problem solvers, these nerds, the talents, not only developers, the potential founders, marketers, designers, everyone who can put their mind into solving problems to found their own startup using blockchain technology. It's not like we get people that already know a lot about Web3 and blockchain, and we put them to solve real world problems. It's the other way around. Real world problem solvers, teach them about businesses and blockchain. And that's what we are doing. That is our focus for this year and last year. And it's really interesting.
Or else, you.
Who?
The girl next to you. She, her. Hey, next year Web3 is gonna die if we don't do something about it.
Oh my God.
So, for the next year, we need to focus about building things that solve real problems. People don't care anymore about your NFTs, marketplaces, your AI trading bots that just, do something weird and just end up without money.
Some of them are good.
Some of them are good. Let's go AI.
Go base.
And just focus on you. Right now, the people behind the tech we can create is the most important asset. You need to be focused about your business model and your marketing. Just stop thinking that you can do things without it. You can't. You will fail. Pay attention to it. Otherwise, people won't use your product. There's this one saying from a famous rapper in Argentina. She came from one of the biggest slums, and she says, "It's not the ship, it's the pilot." Maybe you have the worst car, maybe you have the worst computer, maybe you have the worst product, I dare to say. But if you're a good pilot, if you know how to, bueno, if you know how to do it, we will succeed. Otherwise, guys, we're dead. Thank you so much. We are Nerdconf. Let's talk.
That's it, guys. Thank you, Mumbai.
Vamos, vamos.
Let's go.
See you soon. Let's keep building.